guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't been uploading because I have been so busy with a lot of different stuff. Anyways, I'm back with another video. Today I want to show you how I clean my makeup brushes and the sponges. So as you can see, they're dirty, which is from the foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean them. Don't mind this, my son took a scissors and cut it. I don't know why he did that, but anyways, enough with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the cheap way to clean it. And if you don't have makeup shampoo, makeup brush shampoo or whatever, you can use the Palmolive Oxy Power Grease. So before I go ahead and show you how to clean it, I just want to tell you that yes, you can use this if you don't have the shampoo. This, I know some of you been saying that it irritates the your skin, and the brush is not soft as it is. But trust me, I have been doing this for a few months now, and my makeup brushes are fine, and my sponges. So I have been doing this, and it's working out for me. And this is only $1 from the Dollar Tree. So this is the cheapest way you can clean your makeup brushes. So what you need is a bowl with warm water, and then you want to go ahead and put some of the dish liquid in there, and then you just want to soak it up, and then you want to put all the makeup sponges in here. So what I'm gonna do is do the makeup sponges first and then do the brush. So you just want to take your hand and just like rub it. Ooh. Look at this. It literally takes like 2 seconds to get it clean. Like, look at this. Like I said, don't mind this sponge. My son took a scissors and just cut it. I wanted to cry. But anyways, so look at this. This is from one wash. Let's move on to the next one. So I'm gonna keep doing this and then until it's clean. So many of you been using, like, I saw a lot of videos that the ladies have been using like those makeup pad that you scrub on. You don't need all that. You just need $1 of Palmolive liquid soap. And look at this. I still have to do a second one, but I'm just gonna take it out now. And your makeup brushes and your sponges come out really nice. Look, brand new. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this, and then I'll show you what's next. Okay, so I'm finished with my brushes and the sponge, and as you can see, it's all clean. I want to show you how dirty the water is. It's because of the foundation. Yeah. So I'm just gonna take like a clean warm water, fill it up. Here, and then I'm gonna do the process, like repeat the process, but not I'm not gonna add more soap. I just want to rinse it out because as you can see, it does hold a lot of soap. It does hold a lot of soap. I haven't added any soap, so look at this, it's still half soap. So you want to wash it out completely. So I'm just gonna keep doing this, and then I'll show you the final product. Okay, so I'm finished washing and cleaning my makeup brushes and the sponge. Here you go, the beauty blender, I mean. So this is the final part. This is how I clean it. You don't have to do it my way. I consider this as the cheapest way. But yeah, it doesn't irritate my skin or anything. So I have been doing this for a few months now, and I like it. You could go ahead and try it. And if your skin is very sensitive, do not do it, I guess. But it's fine. It works out for me. So yeah, if you guys like this video, click your thumbs up, and thank you for watching, and thank you all for your support. Bye.